Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Audi S7. In the competitive world of small sports sedans, the 2023 Audi S7 stands out as a pinnacle of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. As a part of Audi's renowned S lineup, the S7 is designed to offer an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining the brand's reputation for sophistication and comfort. At the core of the 2023 Audi S7 is a robust 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. This potent engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, which ensures exceptional traction and stability under various driving conditions. The S7 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, demonstrating its formidable performance capabilities and making it a standout in its class. However, the S7 is not just about raw power. Audi's engineers have meticulously tuned the suspension, chassis, and steering to provide a perfect balance of comfort and performance. The adaptive air suspension and dynamic all-wheel steering enhance handling precision and ride comfort, making the S7 equally adept at tackling sharp corners and providing a smooth ride on long journeys. Additionally, the S7's lightweight construction and advanced aerodynamics contribute to its dynamic performance and fuel efficiency. The exterior design of the 2023 Audi S7 is a blend of sporty aggression and refined elegance. Its sleek, coupe-like profile is accentuated by sharp lines, a bold single-frame grille, and matrix-design LED headlights. The sporty character is further emphasized by 21-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and S-specific design elements, all contributing to its commanding presence on the road. Inside, the S7 offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. High-quality materials such as Valcona leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined and comfortable atmosphere. The advanced MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreens, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, provides seamless connectivity and entertainment. Performance-oriented features such as sports seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel further enhance the driver's engagement and comfort. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2023 Audi S7. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a night vision assistant, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi S7 sets a new benchmark for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S7 offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating winding roads, the S7 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.